So I will record this for those who are not yet here. So we have here, I will go to the next. We are done with that. I hope if you don't understand our video, you watch and watch again. So this is it. I explained that one already. I want to see here how many how many centimeter in 1 meter? How many?
100.
100. Good job, Paman. Good job. How about in 1 kilometer? How many meter?
1 kilometer.
1,000. 1,000.
1,000.
1,000. Good job. Okay. So let's try. I know the answer. 7 meter. How many cm? 7 meter. How many cm?
700.
700.
700. How about 250 cm? How many meter?
200 cm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many?
1.5.
1.5? You
2.5.
huh?
2.5.
2.5.
5 meter.
2.5.
Yeah, good job. How about 3.5 meter? How many cm? How many cm? If you have 3.5 meter, how many centimeters? You look at the tip. The tip will help you.
350.
Okay, 350 cm. I explained that in the video, no? So that is how to convert. This is what we call conversion. Okay, we will learn more about this. Okay, we will learn more about this one.
Huh?
Okay. So that is how to convert, no? Measurements. How about in using kilometers? The width of the towel, yes or no? Can you use kilometer when you measured your towel?
No.
Oh.
No.
How about if you from Philippines going to Thailand? Can you use using kilometers?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
How about
Yes.
marathon? You know, marathon is that when you run and run from morning until afternoon. Do you think kilometers can be used, can be measured by kilometers?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
แม่คะ
Yes.
ทำไมคะหนูไม่ใช่คำว่าเล้งอ่ะ Yes.
Yes. Good job. Very good.
Nice.
Okay. So I give you worksheet. Try to
คือแบบ
see
ไหน
if you answer, Nike. Please, I said, do not talk. If I'm talking, you will just talk if I ask you to. Thank you, Nike. Did you do your worksheet, this one? Did you answer this?
Not yet.
Not
Teacher,
yet.
I didn't do. Yes.
Uy, why you
Not yet.
do? It's in your worksheet. You can print it. I will check that next. Be sure you answer your worksheet, okay? So this one, I
It's
know
on my table.
you understand this one, okay? I know you understand one, okay? So this one, you just use the ruler and try to measure the line. So before you measure, you try to estimate first. Okay, very easy. And then over here, draw lines. In here, you have to draw lines. So you use the ruler, you measure 2 cm, 5 cm, and 7 cm. And then over here, just circle the correct answer. and then conversion, and then S. This one, nearest. Okay? So be sure to answer your worksheet. Okay, class? Oh, our worksheet is very easy. If you have difficulty, you can tell me. Okay? Are you done with this, right?
Teacher.
Yes?
No. Teacher.
Ayun?
Teacher.
Yes?
Go to worksheet is go to in my home.
Again, again, please.
Worksheet is pin.
Again?
Teacher.
Print. I think teacher Kwan sent it already in the line last week. You just print it. Okay, then on Monday next week, you can bring all my worksheets. Okay? Be sure to write your name. Okay, thank you, Ayun. Next, let's go to our next lesson. We will practice because today what is this? We will end our unit 6 because we will proceed to our next lesson, but it's still about measurement. So I want you to I know that you have no notebook there, right? You don't have my math notebook. Just
Only
get
one notebook.
Yeah. Okay. Any paper, any notebook you can to answer, and next week we will see. Okay? Nike, get your
Teacher.
paper, pencil, or any notebook. We will practice more. Okay?
Teacher, I
Good.
have a notebook.
Good job.
Okay.
Only write this. Only write this one. You can see that there's a pencil. I will use.
Write this in our notebook.
No, only this one. The length of the pencil is
Only
how?
the length of the pencil is about.
Yes. Okay.
Teacher,
So
write the date.
have- yes, because you will need to pass it to me. You will give
Teacher.
it to me. Okay. You give it to me. Okay. Round the answer to the nearest.
Teacher, you need to write you.
Huh? Ayun?
Teacher.
Yes. What? Ayun?
Why the length of the pencil is about
Yes. Yes. I know you can write.
cm,
Yes, Ayun.
right?
Yes, Ayun.
Teacher, write the day.
I
You
can
write the
why
date.
the
Today is
length of
Monday,
the pencil is
17.
about. Teacher,
Write
finish.
number 1, Ayun, and write this one. Okay, you are going
Write the
to...
length of the pencil.
Yes, Ayun, I have an arrow. It means you just write this one. Okay? I know you are already P3 and you can write very fast.
Thank
Second. Okay. So round. So we have, okay, so this is round the answer. You should to the nearest. I don't want to see like 8 point nearest centimeter. Okay, so just give me one number. Okay, nearest. What do you think? Do not draw the pencil. No need to draw the ruler. Only write the length of the pencil is about how many centimeters. Okay, next. Do not scribble the screen. I don't want you to write on the screen. Write in your notebook. Okay? Write in your notebook. Are you done?
Almost.
Almost. Okay. You should write very fast. You are ready. Okay. We will answer right away. Okay? The length of the pencil. What do you think is your answer? Anyone?
p.m.
9 cm.
Are you sure?
9 cm.
Can you
Yeah.
tell me why your answer is 9?
I know because it's between 8 and 9. So
Mhm.
if it's at the middle, so it's 9.
Good try, Nike. Thank you. I want another one who can explain me. Why do you think it's 9? The answer is 9 p.m.
Me.
Anyone? Nike is...
Starting number.
Me.
Yes, Nina? Because?
Is because it's almost being 9 and it's more than 8. So it will become 9 cm.
Okay. What do you think if your answer is only 8 p.m.? Do you think it's nearest?
No.
No,
No.
it cannot be. So the nearest, meaning the nearest is 9. So the measurement is 9 p.m. Okay. Thank you so much. Now let's proceed to the number 2. You are just going to give me the answer. So number 2, you write A, B, C,
Teacher
and D.
Love,
Yes.
we need to write. We need to write.
Oh, only the answer. You just write A, B, C. A, and
Only
what
the
is...
answer.
Yes. Is your answer 300 cm? Is it 350 cm? Or is it 35 cm? How many centimeters are 3.5 meter? I asked this one already. 3.5 meter. So how many in
Right.
No, answer only A. What is your answer? 300 cm, 350 cm, or 35 cm? Give only the answer. Start now. Letter B. How many centimeters are 5.25 meters? Ooh, teacher, what is that? What do you mean by 5.25 meters? What do you mean by 5.25 meter? One? You know what is half, right?
Yes.
Oh, half. When you say half, it's half. So when you say quarter, what is quarter? Anyone? A quarter of a thing. You learn already, what is that? Like a pizza. Okay, you learned this one already. So if I have here a pizza, if I cut this into half, this is half. Yes or no? Right? This is
Yes.
half. Half of
Yes.
it, 50. If that is
Yes.
100. So the half is 50. So when you say quarter, this one is a quarter. This one is a quarter. So how many is it when you say quarter?
3.
3?
25.
Yes, Paman?
25.
Good job,
3.
Paman.
25. 3.
25. Okay. So that is quarter, 25. Like when you say it's quarter to 5, meaning it's 4:45. Quarter past 5 means 5:25. So it says here 5.25. So what do you think is the answer? It's obvious. Teacher Love, I gave you already. Mm-hmm. Okay, next. Oh, 500. Letter C. 500 cm. How many meter? Very easy. Don't forget the tip. I give you a tip. Tip.
500 cm.
Yes, 500 cm. Convert it to meter. What do you think is the answer, Nike?
Teacher,
Yes?
have show you letter E.
Again, Ayun?
Have showed in letter E.
Letter E. You just answer which is
Yes.
more. Which one is more, 3/4 or 700 cm? Which is more? You know what is more?
I know.
Which is more, 3/4 meter or 700 cm? We will check our answer right away so that you will know the answer. I will give you a tip. 100 cm is equal to 1 m. 1,000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So that this is basis.
Teacher, I can't see C.
Letter C. This one, 500 cm.
Yeah,
How
I
many?
can't.
Why you can you only Mary cannot see?
Yeah, the squares with your with the class's pictures and it are blocking C.
You're blocking C. I'm blocking C. What do you?
No, you're yeah.
This one? Better? Nike, do not scribble. Okay, we will check now. We will check so that we will know our answer if we are correct or not. Okay, so because this is practice, it's good to answer right away. Are you done? Everyone is finished?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Teacher said, do not copy, huh? Do not copy all. Only give your answer. No need to copy.
Answer.
Only answer.
แล้วถามคำถามหมดเลยอะเดี๋ยว
Give your
ผมเพิ่ง
answer.
พูดไทยนี่
Okay. Go, Nawin. Only give your answer, Nawin. Okay, is everyone finished, right?
อะไรเนี่ย
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Saleng, are you done?
yeah
Saleng, Chumpu, Nawin, Nike, finish. Mary, Ayun, Latte, Bai, Boon, Nina,
I
Bai,
finished. Teacher, I'm
Nam,
finished.
เป็น
Nar,
เนี่ย
you write your name in
Welcome.
English so I can read. Chumpu, you can change that to
เขาบอกว่าให้เขียนชื่อภาษาอังกฤษโทรฟังภาษา
because
ไทยไม่ดู
I
นะ
don't know if I will call your name. I don't know. Okay, let's answer. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, let's erase first some here. Okay. Let's answer. Letter A. How many centimeters are in 3.5 meters? What is your answer? What is your answer?
350 cm. 350 cm.
Okay, check your words.
Yeah.
The answer
350.
It's
Okay, very good. Next, how many centimeters are in 5.25 meters?
525. Yes,
Yeah.
I think.
Is Ayun correct?
I think so.
So this is 5.
500.
5 meters is 500 plus a quarter. So the answer is 525 cm. Good job. Oh,
Yay.
correct? Yeah. Okay, letter C.
Correct.
Yeah.
500
No.
meters. How many? 500 cm. How many meters? How many meters?
500.
Huh? The answer is only 5. Only 5 meters. Oh, behind it, you are wrong. Wrong. Write the correct. Yeah. Okay, letter D. How about 250 cm? What's your answer? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
เปิดไมค์
Have a point here. Point.
เปิดไมค์
0.5 meter.
ในลาเต้
more. 3.
เปิดไมค์ลาเต้ลาเต้ลาเต้
Taleng.
ซาเล้งมีอะไรจะมาบอก
What is your answer, Saleng? Letter E. Which is more? 3/4 meter or 700 cm?
455
The answer is 700 Okay. Fourth is only what? 3/4 meter is only. Okay. So let's go to the next. Perfect. Who got perfect? Only got perfect? Oh.
อะไรมันอะไรบอลลูนด้วย
ไม่ใช่เป็น
Okay.
คนนั้น
We have 10 minutes left.
ไม่รู้ว่าอะไรอ่ะ
Left. Okay. Start.
อีก10 นาที
Just write your answer. cm number 3. I will collect your paper next week, so be sure you have everything. Okay, write your answer
Teacher,
only.
on Monday next week.
Yes, Latte, what do you want?
Monday
Latte is raising hand. You want to say something, Latte? Answer now. The key and the paper clip. Measure it. Saleng, finish? Nina is singing
Teacher.
for us.
Finish.
Okay, what is your answer here? We have no more time. Nearest, what is the measurement?
5 cm. 5 cm.
5 cm. How about paper clip? Is it
3 cm
4 cm. 4 cm.
3 cm?
4 cm.
3, not 4 because 4, this is
3 cm.
Yes, yes, only 3 cm. Who got perfect?
4 cm.
4 cm.
Me.
Not 4, Nike. It
Me.
cannot be
We got perfect.
a
We got
half.
perfect.
Not more than half.
We
It's
got
only
perfect.
okay. Last one.
We got
Again.
perfect. Bro, who's singing?
Okay, answer the last one. Come on. We have no more time.
Okay. Wait.
Answer conversion. So this is just practice of our lesson.
Easy.
Easy, huh?
Yes. Easy.
Yes. Just look at this one, okay?
6, 7. Bro, why you say
6 1 6 1
6 9?
Okay, we have no
6
more
meter.
time. Are you done?
No. Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's answer. Infra. 3/4 meter is how many cm? Yeah, you're very quiet. What is your answer? 1
1
meter is
cm.
100 cm. So if it's 3/4, how many cm? Remember 25? 25
Oh,
plus,
teacher.
plus 25.
34 cm.
That is what? How many? 75.
Finish. 775. Nigga.
Okay, letter B, Nina. What's your answer? Letter B.
Nigger. Nigger.
Nigger.
Teacher,
Kenny.
let another answer. MBC.
Teacher, I can answer.
Yeah, letter B. What's your answer?
Is 1000 cm.
6 1
Paman said 1,000. Okay, sorry, my pencil. What happened to my zero? Woo! This one is
6 1
no?
เสร็จกันแล้วมีตาแล้ว
เขาเฉลยแล้วบ้างนะ
Okay.
ใช่ป่ะ
Nike, stop writing, and infra, I will give you minus. 250.
Yapping, Paman, you yapping like a elephant. ลาเต้ใส่แว่นลาเต้ใส่แว่นลาเต้คุณปู่นี่ครับ 30 minutes now
What is
ปู่
your
ลา
answer?
เต้ปู่ลาเต้ The
6
It is
1
meter to kilometer. Just look here, meter to kilometer.
6
Infra, pump, I can see. Okay.
6 1 6 1
เดี๋ยวเขาตอบแม่เนี่ยว่า
ตอบแต่บางอันอาจจะตอบผิดมั่งนะ ข้อ A ผิดมาเลยเพราะมันมีบางข้อที่ผมไม่เข้าใจมาก
Are you done? Letter C. Who can give me? You
Here,
use
see.
divide 250 divided by 1,000. What do you
Let's
think?
ตาลองดูนี่สิ่งที่ไม่น่าเหลือเชื่อพัดลมเป็นอะไรก็ไม่
Nina,
รู้
what's your answer, Nina?
1.
I'm
250.
fighting.
Huh?
Sure.
บอกมันให้หยุดได้ไหม
Ahmed, what's your answer?
It's 1. 1 quarter.
250 meter. If you divide it by
ดูใส่แว่น
1,000 kilometer, that will give you 0.25 kilometer. Okay, how did you get it? You divide. Okay. Same with 750. What is your answer, letter D? Same with letter C. What do you think?
75.
Huh?
25 kilo.
What?
Okay.
What?
0.75 kilo.
Oh.
Teacher, what's that
You divide 250 divided by 1,000. That will give you the kilometer. Because
Yes,
to measure 1,000 kilometer, you need to measure 1 kilometer. It's 1,000 meter. Imagine 1 kilometer, you need 1,000 meter. Okay? Anyone? Any question? Who did not understand? Sini.
Teacher, I understand.
Understand? We have 1 minute left. On
Yes.
Tuesday, we will continue more. Okay? We will continue more. You practice at home.
Okay.
Okay. I know.
Ate, are you okay? Tumpu, Nike, Mary, Baibun, Nina, Saleng, Nawin, Ayun, Nami, Infra, and Paman. Do you understand, right? If you don't understand, you can watch the video again.
I understand.
I understand.
Practice, I want you to practice conversion, how to change.